139 and 4 strap-on motors.
Minus 30 seconds.
Minus 30 seconds.
Real-time programs activated.
Roger. Minus 25 seconds.
Minus 25 seconds.
Minus 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, plus 1.
PS1 on ground
three.
is
So vehicle lift off
Plus 5
Vehicle
seconds.
with
off,
S139 and 4 ground lit strap-on motors.
Plus 10 seconds.
You can see the view of the PSLV.
बिल्कुल आकाश
15
साफ और एक अच्छा दृश्य प्रमोचन यान
Plus 20
बिल्कुल अपने
seconds.
गंतव्य की ओर
First stage
आकाश
performance
में
normal.
आगे बढ़ता हुआ
Plus
और
25
जोरदार गर्जना के साथ
Hey,
एक
let's strap on.
लकीर
Ignited.
एक इबारत लिखता
Plus
हुआ
30 seconds.
छठवां उपग्रह इस नौहन उपग्रह प्रणाली का
Plus 35 seconds.
So at 25 seconds into the flight, we had the ignition of the air lit
Plus 40
strap-on as well. The time right now is 40 seconds. So at 70 seconds, we
45
should have the separation of the ground lit
Performance normal.
strap-on, which were ignited along with the S139
Plus
stage,
50 seconds.
followed by the separation of the air lit strap-ons at 90 seconds. So far, the
Plus 55 seconds.
9
Plus
stage,
50 seconds.
followed by the separation of the air lit strap-ons at 90 seconds. So far,
Plus 55 seconds.
the parameters indicates a very close match with respect to the time and altitude,
Plus 1
time
minute.
and velocity. 60 seconds into the flight, the vehicle is right now almost 18 kilometers from the launch base at an altitude of around 23 kilometers.
जी हाँ बिल्कुल सामान्य
Ground lit
निष्पादन
strap-on
प्रथम
separated.
चरण का
Auto in main auto.
इसकी घोषणा भी की गई और प्रथम
Shower
चरण
one in main
लगभग
auto.
108.86 सेकंड में सेपरेट
And 8 seconds now. Anytime we should hear the announcement. Yes, the
PS1
PS1 has been
separated
separated
and
successfully at
PS2 engine
108 seconds. And the second stage, the PS2 has been successfully ignited.
Plus 2 minutes.
जी हाँ प्रथम चरण अलग भी हो चुका है और द्वितीय चरण प्रज्वलित होते हुए यान अपने गंतव्य की ओर लगातार आगे बढ़ता होगा और ये द्वितीय चरण बाद जब ऊंचाई लगभग 113 किलोमीटर होगी और उस समय वेगमान लगभग 3.5 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड होगा इस समय हम लगभग 160 सेकंड का समय व्यतीत कर चुके हैं
As you would have seen on your screen with respect to the time versus altitude profile, the time versus velocity
Okay,
profile, a
performance
very close
normal.
match with respect to the yes 20,000 kilometers with 283 kilometers.
PS4 engine shut off.
PS4
Injection
shutoff has
conditions
been
are achieved.
executed at 11:75 seconds successfully, and we see a very close match to the pre-flight number of 284 km perigee with the apogee of 26 seconds to go before we hear the announcement of IRNSS 1F. Right now, the satellite at the upper stage, yes, IRNS 1F has been successfully separated at 1,212 seconds in a very, very precise orbit of 284 by 20,650 kilometers.
जी हाँ
22 has put the satellite into the right orbit, and we have only one more satellite in this constellation to complete our sequence of 7 satellites for the regional navigation satellite, which we expect to do sometime next month. And I would request Jay Kumar to brief us on the initial parameters.